To kaunti ma Kisumu koro nyithindo manyiri sub kaunti ma Muhoroni nodhialo nyasi margi mar odiechieng nyiri piny mangima. Odiechieng mano manyoro tarik 8 kendo koro ne gimor ahinya bang' ka nyasi ma kamano koro nodhial kata nobagi to kod riwruoge mopogore opogore ma bende koro nodonjore kedo ne ratiro mag nyithindo manyiri. Kaka ilerono kanyo to kod Zerubabel en nyasi ma bende koro nokete nyaka weche mago mag tuke.
Kaka yor tieko iemo mondo kod donje keny chon, nyithindo manyiri koro nyaka kony ka jiwogi kinde ka kinde. Kaluwore kod coordinator mar Organization of African Youth Kenya, bade ma imbo mar Kenya, Joseph Ojuoki, owacho ni nyasi ma kelo nyiri kanyo achiel biro chiwo thuolo mar loso kendo puonjo nyiri yo monego giluw. Noloso e seche ma piny mangima ne dhialo Odiechieng Nyathi Manyako, ka riwruogno kod mamoko nobiro kanyo achiel kendo bago tuke e skund primary mar Thurbie mantie Muhoroni sub-county.
So today we are trying to advocate for Muhoroni free of teen pregnancies, Muhoroni free of any violence against girl child that is affecting the girl child within our communities. And we were talking to the girls also to empower them, and also to give them different skills so that they're able to have informed decisions on matters that are facing them. One thing we need to call upon different partners: let us support these girls, let us engage these girls, let us ensure that we empower our girl child so that they can also take the different spaces that are there within our communities.
Riwruok mar Kefiado kotelne kod AC Atieno mane nitie nyasino noyango ni giketo nyiri mondo obed thuolo kendo motegno e nyasi ma kamano. Weche manosir kod jotelo manowuok e riwruoge mopogore opogore.
Today's event, we're celebrating the International Day of the Girl Child, and it was very important to have the girls play because we say strong girls make strong women. So how do we ensure we create free spaces for girls to engage so that we can amplify their voices? We are also capacity building them so that they are able to fight for spaces and break patriarchal chains and intergenerational barriers. So this day was very important, and we continue to tell girls and young women to voice out, speak up, and not be shaken.
And the reason as why this event was very important in Muhoroni, given the recent data by the county government, by the county office of the county commissioner, Muhoroni comes at position 4 within the 7 sub-counties in teenage pregnancies, which translates to great issues. There are underlying issues within Muhoroni sub-county in matters gender-based violence. So this matters of sports as an empowerment tool to girls is very important because it targets their reproductive health issues. That was a key factor that we were looking into, and their mental health issues, their confidence, matters to do with self-esteem, because sports boosts everything.
Today we joined other organizations in Kisumu in this Muhoroni event because we feel there are still gaps in sexual and reproductive health advocacy that needs to address, and also issues of gender-based violence that has been on the rise in Kisumu County.
My message today to the girls is to come out and amplify their voices and go out there and be heard. I want to encourage the girls to position themselves and occupy the positions in their communities and be the agents of change in their communities.
Nyithindo manyirigo nonyiso mor margi gi nyasi ma kamano e kelo tuke adhula.
I've enjoyed my day. It was well. It was good. But we have just played, but we were not the winner of today. But I hope the next match we will win. I'm one of the players, so the day was good.
It just helped ladies to gain good moral values, which may be helpful to them in the future and in their family lives.
Nelolwe TV and Zerubabel Odiwuor.